JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we'll be doing a repair on this bench, and I'll show you exactly where the repair is. So let me zoom in here. And you see the strap there? Well, we're going to add one strap over there. And on the other side, we're going to add another strap over here. And I'll show that. I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll show you what the results are. We got 1-inch screws, and we got the straps coming in. Here's the drill we're going to use. This one right here. I take this off here, right here, and stick it in here. Phillips head. Kind of hard doing on camera, like that. Okay, so I'm going to use that. And here is the screws. Show you a close-up of those. There's the screws. So, hang on, you'll see the finished product. I'm going to use these cutters to cut the strapping. Okay, that's what they look like. Okay, so we put the metal strapping on, and we measured it and cut it. So that's your tip for today. I'll show you, when it's done. Add more support to it on both sides with the strapping. Please rate and subscribe. Thanks.